Which do you think would be harder to move? This stone or this hill? This thing is enormous. And it's old. To give some sense of scale, it's just gobsmacking. Now this is a field I'd want to mow with a scythe.
Oh man, can you imagine coming out every day next to your Neolithic monuments to scythe the lawn?
That's ambiance right there. Look at this, look at that bank. See, in some ways, this bank is as impressive to me as the stones. Because what do you need to move earth? I mean, nowadays we have shovels. Shovels, the modern shovel will cut into the ground and scoop it up. You do those in one motion, or rather with one tool. In the old days, it was more pick and basket, which means the actual scooping part is mostly done with this. It's massive. It's massive. That ditch goes down, what, about 30 feet, and then it comes up again on the other side. In total, from the bottom of the bank to there, maybe 50? This is massive. So in addition to the stone circle, which is more, in some sense, more visually impressive, there's also this massive bank here. Many ancient cultures constructed massive earthworks. There's thousands of them scattered throughout South America, particularly as there's more clear cutting of the Amazon. We're finding out more and more that the Amazon was densely settled. We're talking about millions of people living in an environment which, bizarrely enough, we thought couldn't sustain much human life because the soils are so poor. Also, it appears that many of the species down in the Amazon, in the river valley, were actually human cultivated. For example, there's way more Brazil nuts than you would expect, and less humans have been, helping them along. For sheer size, this bank represents a massive amount of human cooperation. I could not build something like this in one lifetime, especially not if I'm hacking at dirt, manually putting it in a basket, and then carrying it to its location. It's amazing to me that they moved earth. These are earthworks. The imprint of the people who lived here 6,000 years ago is imprinted not just in the stones, but in the earth. In North America, one place that I would like to visit and haven't visited yet is called Serpent's Mound. It's a Hopewell culture site that's in Ohio. I guess with enough willpower, even with Stone Age technology, you can move mountains. Standing here in Avebury and looking at the standing stones and the embankment here, I'm struck by the sheer size of this, and putting myself in the shoes of people who lived thousands of years ago, building these with their hands for some reason. For some reason they thought this was worth doing.
And that despite the amount of effort it would have taken to do with Stone Age tools. One way of calculating the value of something is to see how much you're willing to sacrifice for it. To try to understand a bit more about this henge, when I got back to the States, I tried digging with just a stick, pick, and a basket for shoveling the dirt away. If we imagine the earth bank of Avebury Henge was built in this way, just imagine how long it would have taken. Therefore, we can guess that it mattered quite a bit to the people who made it. As always, if you enjoyed our video, please hit the like button and subscribe below. We look forward to seeing you next time.